Hello, hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing? How are we doing? Hope we are well. Hope we are okay. Over here, your girl Lena comes through. I'm joining in, and let me hope each and every one of you is doing amazing. Greetings to each one of you. To the new people, you are most welcome. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through. I'm here, ready, waiting on you. Let us see how the day is going to play about. Come through, let us chat. Let us get to know about a few things here and there. And as we know, we are scalping. Okay, so that is our platform, pocket option. That is number one. You can choose to call it the broker or the platform. Okay, but that is where we are trading on. So come through. Let me hear from you. Let me get to know how you are doing. Binary options is what we are trading. Okay, so come through, come through, come through. Alessandro is my very first person to send in a message. Happy to see you come through. Happy to have you around. Okay, so let me see my beautiful people coming through. Okay, so Brent oil OTC is what we are having. Okay, just still trying to finalize with my setup as I wait on you to join in. Okay, it is already time. It's our time to shine. It's our time to trade. Come through and let us analyze the market. Let us see how everything is going to play out. Being scalpers, we operate in a smaller time frame. By a smaller time frame, we are looking at 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. All right. Why that simply it's simply because with a smaller time frame, assuming we were looking at trading in 1 hour, right? Me as a scalper, divide 1 hour into 5 seconds or 15 seconds. That simply means I'm going to carry out very many trades in just one simple hour. Yet, if we place in a trade for 1 full hour, what if our forecast is wrong? What if we have analyzed wrongly and then by the end of the 1 hour, we have made a loss? We have waited for a full hour to close a trade and we have ended up making a loss. But if we get that 1 hour and we divide it into 15 seconds, trust me, we go away with a lot of profits. The losses definitely will be there in that 1 hour that we have divided, but definitely, at least we shall have profits attached to it. Okay, so with us scalping, that is one thing that I can tell you about. Okay, so as we can see, alligator indicator, that is our main indicator that I'm using, backed up by the MACD, both set at default. One thing that I keep saying is that these two indicators help a lot with the momentum, right? with the momentum and also identifying what direction are we taking. What direction are we taking? Rhoda, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. That is Lekala. Hi, Lekala, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are well. I think I missed seeing you yesterday. I did not see you around. But for today, thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Rhoda, I see you. Thank you very much for coming through. Kevin, hi Kevin, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Shelly, I see you over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Hope you are doing great. My apologies, yesterday did not go as planned. It did not. We made a loss. So sorry about that. But we have to keep positive. We keep it positive, and because in the long run, what we know is that we make the profits that we all want, but you find that there are times when losses will be incurred. So please let us keep the positivity and we definitely see how to better ourselves in trading. Okay, that is a Lids. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Okay, right. I am back. I'm back. Let us place in a cell over here. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, so I was asked why did you plus in? Why did you buy downwards? So the reason, the fact that we are using two indicators, both of them have to be considered. You know, we are dealing with a trend continuation, trend reversals. So when we look at these three lines for the alligator indicator, let us confirm what does the MACD say as well. Okay, so in most cases, you will find that the MACD indicator is still showing that we shall continue down, or even our green line has not given any signal that we are going to cross above. So if it's like that, then definitely we are still in our trend continuation. We have to sell. So that's why I took that. That's why I took that trade. Okay. Okay, that is Annie Balest. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Shelley over there. All right, and definitely we have to keep it positive and we see how next week things will go, but it has to be did for the very best. Over here, I've learned how to be positive, even in situations where you feel like it's really not, it might not work, but there are certain, should I call them virtues, or there are certain importances that we attach to ourselves. Being positive is a very good way of living our lives. Even if something pulls you down or puts you down, but when you are still believing for the very best, things always work out. So let us wait for that time, and I believe we shall have it. Okay. Lekala. Okay, Lekala. Working Monday to Friday. I know, my dear. I've been there. I've been there. Trust me, trust me, trust me. And before I focus so much on my trading, like I gave you my story earlier on when I just started trading. You work so much, you're not appreciated, you find that payment comes in late. So employment is really something else, right? But on the other hand, when we were still having it, it was supporting us in that time. So please take heart, continue working, because also being there, you've not yet perfected your trading, being there and you are here, there, it doesn't really go well. It doesn't go well. So first confirm everything. Okay, so until you have perfected, then you can decide and be like, all right, let me concentrate on my trading. Okay, but employment, I will not say it's easy, but it sustains us in the time when we are not yet financially free. Okay, so take heart, things will be okay, things will be better. Okay, Frank, how long have you been trading? I've been in trading, I'll count it at 5 years and some months now. I'll count it at that. And I will tell you, if to really count, I will come down to like three three years. Why? Because the first 1 year and the second year, things were not good. Things were not good. You make mistakes here. You know, when you are learning how to trade, you think you have learned it all and you know it all. So you keep doing what you think is right, instead of obeying what the market wants us to do. So I have come a long way. I've made very many mistakes. I have given up. You wake up one morning and you are like, you know what? Let me just let it be. Let me let it be. Probably, maybe, let me even look for another job. But then now you remember how everything is at work when you are being employed. Then you're like, you know what? Let me sit down, learn more, understand, and then I will become better. Okay. Femo over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you. That is a videos clubs. Okay. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. I'm excited to see you around. Mentalize over there. Hi, how are you? Happy to have you around to see you. Always come through. Okay, that is videos clubs. That simply means we have to move on the same path. We have to be doing exactly the same things. Okay, a stoned trade. Binary options is a gamble. My dear, you're most welcome. Happy to also have you around. Thank you for joining in. But when you talk of it's a gamble, not really. It's not. Because one, we have options of having the knowledge to understand exactly what we are doing. On your end, it might be a gamble because you wake up one morning and you choose to trade how you feel it should go. But have some knowledge about these indicators, the candlestick patterns, and definitely you will improve yourself. You will be better trading binary options. That's one thing I can tell you, right? Because for some of us, we do not take it as a gamble. Get the knowledge, understand how everything works. Do not come through looking at a win or a loss, but we look at a higher percentage. If we are looking at 50-50, maybe that's when you can say it is a gamble. But we improve ourselves by having the knowledge to reduce and to minimize the losses that are incurred. So, definitely that way, we are improving ourselves because we have gathered the knowledge. We know what to do instead of just waking up and entering into the market. Okay, so that's one thing I can tell you. So for the FEMO to get better and better, I promised us some videos that is on the YouTube channel and on my Telegram, but I'm going slowly by slowly. I put one already there that is on Telegram, not on our YouTube channel. What I want is for us to understand or to know from the very beginning. What am I supposed to do? What am I expected to do? Okay, when we know how things are supposed to be done, if we are looking at indicators, how do we set them? How do we best use them? Okay, what are we looking at? When we have the direction, what is the momentum? Okay, what are like we need to understand certain things before we enter into the market. So when we have that knowledge, things become way easier and much greater. Okay, Shirley is asking me, how did you learn to trade? Were you taught by someone? I was guided by a number of people, I should say. One was my brother, who I did not take seriously. He was on my case for a very, very long time. But to me, I kept on telling myself that is not ladylike. Trading is for men and all that. I went to a workplace where my colleagues were so interested in trading. Whichever smaller time they would get, they would dive into learning trading, becoming better in trading. So that's where I learned how to trade. Okay. They motivated me so much, so much. I learned how to trade from my colleagues at a certain workplace. I started slowly. I told my brother about it. He was excited. He kept on giving me guidance. I had some little money. After 2 weeks, after a month, I thought I was a pro. I was the master in trading. I used my money. All of it was blown. 50%, 50%. Then I did not know anything about risk management or how do I protect my account. I did not know all that. Me, as long as I got the chart, how to set up and all that, I dived straight into it. Okay, so as we are having that story, let us get into the donations. They are quite many, so I'm going to start off soon enough to so that I can go through most of them. Penta, hi Penta, how are you doing? Hope you are okay. Hope you are amazing. Okay, so about a video explaining the candles that is in the pipeline. It's going to come through and we shall have it. Mainly, I'm going to be posting these things on Telegram for now. Okay, so we are going to have it and we see exactly how the candlestick patterns go about and the indicators as well. So 350 US dollars, three items, that is for a Denson. Okay, that is our first attempt. Lily, I see you over there. Hi, how are you doing, my dear one? Hope you're well. Hope you are amazing. Owen, thank you for coming through. Happy to always have you around. Jen, I see you. We are cooking again. Let us see how today is going to go. And definitely, we believe for the very, very best. Atta, okay, let's see. Let us see. We sell. Are we good to go? Yep. Okay, so we have a boat over there. Let us have it. You know, at times, readings and analyzing, we have to be so careful with them. So that is a plus. That is a plus for us. Let us go. Okay, we have one more attempt to go for Denzen. Frank, please do, please do, please do. We have to all be on the winning team as we buy over here. We have to all be on the winning team. We learn, take time, understand, practice, then we are good to go. That is it. That is it. Congratulations to you, Denzen. Congratulations to you. So that is our very first. That is our very first winner for the day. Let us see how each and everything is going to go. Okay, to the wallet for Tanzan. Congratulations. Okay, Antoine, that is 700 US dollars, 2 items. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So one more for us to go. Okay, we check our analysis and then we see how to go about it. One more attempt. Let's see. Let's see. We are here for profits. We are here for profits. Okay. Just like Lily says, we are locked in. Oh dear. Oh no. Antoine. Oh no. We have made a loss over there for our second attempt. My sincere apologies to you, my dear one. Okay, 350 US dollars. Take profit 4K. That is for Lawson. Okay, so that is a plus. But remember, we are working at getting 4K as our take profit. Okay, so we are getting into it. Okay, we are already at 1K. Take profit 4K, so let us keep it going. We keep it going. Look at that. Look at that. So we are moving in a beautiful and amazing direction. All right. Take profit. We all know what we are looking out for. Look at that. Look at that. We are getting there. We are here. It is a plan. It is a plan. Okay, that is it. That is it. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, so we have our okay as Lawson requested. Congratulations, congratulations, Lawson. Atta says no misses today. Let us keep positive. Let us keep positive and let us keep driving it in the positive direction. Okay, Lawson, Tether wallet still. I'm not gonna sleep if I give you Germany, there is a plan. Okay, next, that is luxurious. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? That is 1,500 US dollars. One attempt. Our first attempt for luxurious is a loss. We give it one more try and we see. Okay, this is our second attempt. Let us see. That is it. That is it. You know, in most cases, when you are having a plus coming through, you see it and you smell it. Look at that. Congratulations. That is too luxurious. And allow me to take this opportunity to say that I'm so grateful. Thank you, my amazing people, for always coming through, for sending in a message, for sending in your donations, for trusting me. That is the most important thing. You have trusted me with your donations, and I do my very best there is to make sure that I do not disappoint you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Okay. There is someone was asking me, why do you afterwards put it at 1 minute or 2 minutes? I do that because at times I'm trying to finalize with the account to make sure that all is well, and then after that, I send in someone's a profit. Okay. Frank says market looks tricky today. Okay, that is the analysis from Frank's side. But you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right. Market fluctuation. I sense it there, I smell it, and definitely see it. But let us keep it positive. We keep it going and let us take out our wins. All right. Mark D. Neil. Hi, Neil. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. I have not yet responded to any of your messages. How is that? Hi, how are you doing, my dear Neil? Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always sending in a message. So happy to have you around. And for the Mark D settings, that is that is 12, 26, and 9. Lorenzo, hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Definitely, we are all taking our time analyzing this market together. Thank you very much. Okay, so next we have that is Radcliffe, 350 US dollars. Looking at that is sorry, sorry about that. That is Phantomath. Phantomath, that is 350 US dollars, 5 atoms. Okay, get back to our settings. Alright, and the time as well. Back to our 15 seconds. Okay, 5 atoms. That is for Phantomas. Okay, look at that. That is our second attempt. Okay, we are having it going. Look at that. Look at that. And that is our third attempt. That is our third attempt. We have 2 more to go. Okay, another one. Let us go for it. Let us go for it. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so that is for our fourth attempt. We have 1 more to go. 1 more to go. Exciting to trade. Exciting to trade. More so if you clearly know and understand what is going on. So let us keep planning. We keep planning, we keep improving ourselves, and things will get to where we want them to be. Trust me, trust me, trust me. So we have 1 more attempt to go. Definitely sticking to positivity. Okay, let us get to it. Let us get to it as we can see over here. Ready and prepared to go. Ready and prepared to go. So I'm just getting ready to, what do I conclude with? Do I place in a buy or a sell? Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. There we go. Allow me withdraw to Phantomath's wallet. Jojo over there, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Happy to have you come through. Okay, what we have? Bitcoin wallet. Congratulations, Phantomath, and thank you for always sending in your donations. That is Lunara, 650 US dollars, 2 atoms. Thank you. No hesitation. We keep it going. We keep it going. A trade. I'm trading on 15 seconds. Lekala, thank you. Let us stick around. Let us stick around and let us see how it's all playing out. Time frame is still 15 seconds. Okay. The chart time frame is 15 seconds. The expiry, time expiry 15 seconds. Candle close 5 seconds. Yes, Trey, I have no, or Instagram. Oh, sorry, I thought you meant Telegram. Where you can get to me is through Telegram and my my YouTube channel. That is how we can get in touch. Okay, 650. That is for Lunara 2 atoms. Okay, let us get ready to dive straight into it. That is with Lunara over here. 2 attempts. To my beautiful and amazing delighted to be here with you. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always coming through. So let us have it. Let us have it. Let us always enjoy our sessions. Enjoy our sessions. We learn. Let me tell you, if you keep learning one thing day in, day out, by the time I told you 5 years, by the time we are getting somewhere into this year, you will be doing great. I'm telling you. Yes, please. I do trade each and every single day. Same time. Same time. What I will request you to do, please like and subscribe. Let us keep it here each and every single day. Let me self here. Beautiful. Let's go. Another one. 2 items for our beautiful, beautiful Lunara. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, congratulations. That is for Lunara Shift. Congratulations to you. Maximum. Okay. Okay, let me withdraw to your wallet. Lunara Shift over here. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for always sending in your donation. Thank you for adjusting me with your money to make profits for you. Okay. Okay, Ethereum wallet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Radcliffe, that is 350 US dollars. Three items. Okay, we get straight into it. That is for Radcliffe. So about the donations, this is money that you voluntarily send me to trade for you. You're sending me money to trade for you, but you willingly send it. Okay, so about that, for more information, please go to my YouTube bio. There is the donations link over there. Go through it and you will see the steps down there to follow. And if you are okay with the terms and conditions, you send in the donation and I trade for you. So it's your money that you send to me, Lena, to trade for you. Okay, that's it. That's with the donations. But one thing I keep emphasizing is for the people sending in their donations, let us put risk management at our fingertips. Let us have risk management attached to us. So sorry about myself. That is for Radcliffe. On our second attempt, we have made a loss. So sorry about that, Radcliffe. So with risk management, that simply means you are not sending in your last savings, send in something that you are willing to lose. Okay? Send in something that you know you are okay with losing in case the market is crazy because we cannot predict the market. Okay, so that is 800 US dollars for sin one attempt. Let me sell here. All right, we have a plus to us over here. Congratulations. That is for sin. I remember yesterday did not go well, but we are blessed to have profits today. So I'm so grateful for it. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you, Abdul. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. A Penta over there, sniper entries all the way. Let us get what we have to get and leave the markets. Okay, so let us get what we have to get. Move on. Wait for tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so that is, we are looking at four items, 350 US dollars. Robin, look at that. I love those spikes. Okay, that is a plus for us. We have three more items to go. Jacob, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. Let us continue having our spikes as we take our profits. Look at that. Okay. Enjoying ourselves once in a while is not bad. Ask me, ask me, ask me. It's not bad at all. So we have two more items to go. Two more items to go for Robin. Positivity all the way. Let us see that we make it. Denzan over there. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Look at that. We have a plus already. Okay, so one more attempt for Robin. No. Oh dear. Oh my dear Robin. So sorry about that one. Our last attempt. We have made a loss. My sincere apologies. Sincere apologies. So sorry about that. It's heartbreaking, you know. Let's keep positive and we'll see about next time. Lily, 600 and 600 US dollars, two items. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. We have one more attempt to go for Lily. passing on momentum. Beautiful! Look at that. Look at that. A lady over there, I see you. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. Okay. That was amazing. That was amazing. And Lily, please allow me appreciate you. Thank you so much for always sending in your donations. I know at times things do not go the way they're supposed to go, but I'm happy that today we have a win. We have a plus on our end. Okay, we are looking at a Tether wallet. Okay, so that is Bitcoin. All right. After Lily, we have a Soul, but allow me add my last list. Okay, that will be my last list for the day. So 350 US dollars to Persians.
Hey, Jonathan. Hey, man. Can you stop by a party over at Futures? He wants to play you the new track. He says it won't take long. No? Did I say no? He really wants you to hear it in person. All right. Sure. I'll go. But I'm not going to stay long. You're the best. All right. Thanks. Hey, babe. Hey. I got to go to Future's house. He's having a party. He wants to play me the verse. I'll be back soon. Just have a drink and I'll split. Okay, cool. Can you just stop and get us some milk, please? Sure, it's never been done for us. But we need milk. Then milk you shall have. Love you. Love you too. Yo, what's good, Adam? You need to come through. Well, yeah, I'm coming. I'm super pumped. Can't wait to hear it. It's a major ride. Yeah, wait, man. I can't wait. Cold enough to chill my bones. It feels like I don't know you anymore. I don't understand why you're so cold to me with every breath you breathe. I see there's something going on. I don't understand why you're so cold. Are we taking time or time out? I can't take the in between. Asking me for space here in my house. You know how to fuck with me. I feel like we're not together. After everything that we've been through, sleeping up under the covers. Now we're so far away from you. Distance. When we're kissing.
Yourself
So
in.
different. Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold enough to chill my bones? Feels like I don't know you anymore.
I don't understand why you're so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have one more item to go. That is for Soul. I don't understand why you're so oh, oh no. So sorry about that. So sorry. On our second attempt, we have made a loss. My sincere apologies. I really do apologize. Okay, fabrics, that is 750 US dollars, 2 items.
Thank you.
Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So that is for our first attempt. Let us get into the second one for fabrics.
Yeah. No, it's me.
Beautiful! That is amazing. Congratulations, fabrics. Requested for 2 items, and we have a win. I'm amazing. Okay, fabrics to the wallet. Beautiful. Okay, so next that is Uric. 300 US dollars, take profit. 4K. Okay, that is 350 US dollars. We are looking at a take profit of 4K. Okay, we get into it with Yurik. Okay, we are into it. Okay, that is our first win. That is our first win. Jojo, thank you very much. I see you, my amazing people over there. I see you. I really appreciate you. That is Jojo. Penta, I see you. Neil, thank you very much. Okay, that is Kali. Okay, that is Denson, thank you. Lily once again. Owen, over there. Jen, I see you. Atta, thank you, thank you, thank you. Mentalizer, I see you over there. Let us keep it going. Remember, we are looking at take profit of 4K. So let us keep focused. Okay, 1K already. 1K already, so we are already getting into it. Okay, that is it. Oh, oh dear. Europe, we did not even go far with our trading, so sorry about that. My sincere apologies. Yes, Carly, that's pocket option. Definitely binary options trading. 350 US dollars, 5,500 US dollars. That is the take profit we are looking at. Okay, that is a win on our first attempt. Okay, we are organizing to get into a buy over here. Mm, change of thought. Okay. Okay. We keep it going. 5,500. We are at 1K right now. Okay. That is at 2K. Soon getting there. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. We are getting there. Just a few dollars to get to where we want to be. Ooh, oh goodness. We have made a loss over there. So let us see on our balance what we can do with it. Okay, that is amazing. We are at 3K right now, close to 4K. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That is it. That is it. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is for Femo over there. Thank you for sending in your donation, and I believe at least you will be able to know that this is not guesswork. This is real trading. Okay, thank you for your donation, and I'm happy that we have gotten a win. That is Tether Wallet for you. Congratulations. Oliver Grant, 350 US dollars for items. It's 15 seconds, not 15 minutes. That's to Rhoda over there. I've seen your message. It's 15 seconds, my dear. Okay, we are into it. So 3 items to go. I love the spikes. I love the spikes. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so 2 more items to go. Okay. Ooh. Oh, no. Oh no. That is on our third attempt. We have made a loss. My apologies, Grant. My apologies. Mason Clark, 550 US dollars, 2 items. That will be our last one for today's donations. Okay, just 2 items. Yes, this is a scalping. That is for our first attempt, and we have a plus. We need to close with a plus, and with a plus for a close. I always want my donations to end with a win. Beautiful, beautiful. That is amazing. Okay, so congratulations, congratulations. That is for Mason. Congratulations to you. Okay, so that is a Tether wallet for Mason. Okay, so that is it for today's donations, and congratulations to each and every one of us who has moved away with the profits. And for those that have made losses, please do not lose the spirit for trading. Let us keep going. We keep positive, and we know very well that next time things will be much better for us. Okay, so for the few minutes left, we are back into personal trading. Okay, so with that going on, I have seen a number of people in the chat section who had sent in their donations, and we have profits taken home. Allow me ask, please let me know if you have received your profits. Let me know, please. Okay, that is it. You notify me such that I know, or there are some people who keep asking in the chat section whether there is anyone in the chat section who sent in the donations and has received their money. So please, when you do receive, let us know. Okay, then the other thing, when we are here for our session, if you know that you sent in your donations, please, it's okay to send in a message to let me know that yes, Lena, I sent in my donation such that I am aware of it. All right. Because I'm sure some people send in and they do not notify us that they sent in their donation. So please, whenever you send in your donation, let me know that you sent in. You never know. Maybe because the numbers are so many, you find that I might take long to trade your donation. So please let me know. And all the things that I ask for in our donations link, please make sure that you include them. That is your name, the amount, how many times you want me to trade for you, then importantly, your crypto wallet. Please include it. Include it. All right. So that will be it with the donations. Make it a point to always let me know. Always. If you've sent in, send in a message. If you see that I've taken a day, 2 days minus trading for you, yet you sent in your donations, please remind me, okay? Okay, that is Anjo. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. All right, I'm going to get back to you. I'm going to get back to you. You know, at times, because of the very, very many messages, very many messages, you find that to some people, maybe I've not responded, but please, I'm going to get back to you. No worries. That is Khadija over there. Hi, how are you? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sending in a message. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate for the amazing compliments. I do appreciate. Thank you so much. All right. So about the donations, I've talked about the donations. In case of anything, please you let me know. Today has been amazing. The market, we had it in control, though of course we made some losses, but mostly we have done great. Thank you, my people. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for analyzing the market with me. Thank you for trading with me. Thank you for keeping the chat section active, vibrant, positive. Thank you very much. I appreciate you so much. Okay, so that will be it for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Stay blessed. Bye bye.